Hello, little learners! Welcome to Mind Learning Kids TV. ABCs, numbers, colors, stories, and fun facts with Tom and friends. Let's learn and play together.
Spins and bends. Monkey swings high, giraffe reaches tall. Zebra waves hello now, bear joins in the rabbit hops by. Dog and cat are dancing up in the sky. Cow and horse are laughing, sheep goes ba ba ba. Duck and chicken waddle, how happy they are. And come and play. Green jungle, lion is my friend. Elephant is my tiger spins and bends. Monkey swings high, giraffe reaches tall. Zebra waves hello now, bear joins in the rabbit hops by. Panda dog and cat are dancing way up in the sky. Horse are laughing, sheep goes ba ba ba. Waddle, look how learn their names every day. Animal friends clap hooray. Sing their names and shout hey. By the ocean blue, crocodile goes snap. Dolphin flips and splashes, whale makes a big splash. Clap. Turtle walks so slowly, penguin slides and sways. Owl and parrot call out, peacock fans its ways. Zebra bear says boo. Rabbit, panda, dog and cat, cow, horse, sheep, all of that. Animal friends come and play. Learn their names every day. Animal friends clap hooray. reaches tall. See the birds bear joins in the ball. Rabbit panda says hi. Dog and cat way up in the sky. Cow and horse are laughing. Sheep goes ba ba ba. Duck and chicken waddle. Look how happy they are. Learn their names every day. Animal friends clap hooray. Sing their names and shout by the ocean blue. Crocodile goes snap. Dolphin flips and splashes. Whale makes a big splash. Clap. Turtle walks so slowly. Penguin slides and sways. Owl and parrot call out. Peacock fans its ways. Butterfly is fluttering. Bee goes buzz, buzz, buzz. All the little baby animals dance and dance with us. Lion, rabbit, panda, dog, and cat. Learn their names every day. Animal friends clap hooray. Sing their names and shout hooray. Jungle farm and ocean safari too. Every little animal waves to me and you. Learn their names every day. Animal friends clap hooray. Sing their names and shout hooray. Animal friends come and play. Learn their names every day. Animal friends sing their names and shout hooray. In the bright green jungle, elephant is stomping, tiger sleeps, monkey swings high, giraffe reaches tall, zebra is now, bear joins in the ball, rabbit panda says hi, dog and cat are dancing way up in the sky, cow and horse are laughing, sheep goes ba ba ba, duck and chicken waddle, look how happy they are. Animal friends clap hooray.
Thanks for watching! Tom hopes you enjoyed the adventure. Don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with your friends, never miss our next fun tune. See you next time. Bye-bye!